Hi, this is Grandpa's Toolkit and I'm Grandpa. Previously we had a video on putting up a towel rack, and that sparked a lot of conversations about the best place and the best items to use while anchoring something on the wall. Now obviously the best, strongest place is into the studs, the 2x4s that are inside your wall, but that doesn't always work either aesthetically or for some other reason. And so today we're going to look at wall anchors and look at their ratings for strength and how they work. Let's go take a look. I've made a little wall, and what we're going to do is we're going to use a variety of anchors that are made for using in drywall. We'll actually take a view behind as the screws go in so you can get a good look at it. Our first anchor is what you typically get in a kit with a towel bar. So we're going to put this in like we normally would with just some taps of the hammer, and it's in. I'm using an extra long screw that I've got, and we'll see what happens. You can see it did force the wings to open up bigger, so this will hold better than typical when you just use the screw that comes in the kit. The next one is from the company called Easy Anchor. And this is what they call a drywall anchor, and we'll give that a try. We have screwed it in, and now we're going to use one of the screws that came in the kit. And you can see it has pushed this aside to expand and give you a better grip. Now, Easy Anchor says that these will hold up to 50 pounds on the wall. Here's what the package looks like. Again, these are Easy Anchors. They said they're rated for 50 pounds. Our next one is the pop toggle, and that was the one that was on a previous video. Kind of looks like a butterfly, if you will. And we will put that in by squeezing these wings together and then hammering it in. So after we've got it nailed in, you use the plunger and pop it out, and it causes everything to open up. Now you can see we've got a very strong grip there, and these pop toggles are rated for 60 pounds. Triple grip anchors, and these are rated for 35 pounds. So there you have it. There's 4 different anchors and their weight ratings and things like that. The standard anchor, which you get in most kits, are the least helpful. The others offer a lot more strength and durability. The only one that comes out easily is the Easy Anchor. You can unscrew the screw, and then the anchor itself can be unscrewed from the wall. The others need to be knocked into the wall or partially into the wall and then covered up with spackle if you want to remove them. Thank you for being a part of this journey. You are wonderful, and I so appreciate you.